Now that we have our sound chart that looks like this, let's decode an English word. Decoding is when you say each individual sound in a word separately and then blend the letter sounds together to say the word. Let's decode the word spelled D O G. You should remember these two things before we start decoding. First, you can use the letter sound chart to help you remember the letter sounds because the first sound in the name of the picture under the letter is the sound associated with that letter, except for the letter X, where it is the last sound in the word under the letter that makes the X's sound. Second, your mouth should look like the mouth on the letter sound card when you make the sound of the letter in English. Now let's get started decoding. 1. Start with the first letter in the word and figure out what sound is associated with that letter, like this. D has the word dentist under it. At the beginning of the word dentist is the sound D, so the letter D makes the D sound. 2. Go to the second letter in the word and figure out what sound is associated with that letter, like this. O has the word October under it. At the beginning of the word October is the ah sound, so the letter O makes the ah sound. 3. Go to the third letter in the word and figure out what sound is associated with the last letter, like this. G has the word gallon under it. At the beginning of the word gallon is the G sound, so the letter G makes the G sound. 4. Blend the first two letter sounds together. D, ah, da. 5. Add the sound of the third letter to the sound made by the first two letters blended together. Da, g, dog, dog. We are going to use some boxes and circles to practice some more. D, ah, g, d, ah, da, da, g, dog. D, ah, g, dog. We have decoded the word dog.